Hello, and welcome to another update video about VeChain. So VeChain is currently still moving in this price channel. We're actually moving between support and resistance. We have this ascending price channel, which I'm watching, and then we have the support area on the micro level here. This is the 1 hour chart view. Support between 4.7 cents and 6.2 cents, and micro resistance between 7.2 cents and 7.7 cents. And if you watched previous videos, then you know that I'm considering the option of one more high to complete circle wave 3. And that is definitely still possible because we're only consolidating sideways at the moment. And even though I considered kind of an ABC structure before, it looks more and more like a triangle, which is very common for a wave 4. It is could consider it a bullish pennant, which might break out to the upside from here. And we'll talk about the next resistance levels in a minute, but that is definitely, I mean, you have a resistance area on the chart already on the micro level, 7.2 cents and 7.7 cents. Any break above 7.7 cents could indicate we are in the fifth wave to the upside, but we will take a look at the larger resistances on the larger time frame as well. But on the micro level, one more high would be ideal. Before then, circle 4 is starting, which is the larger degree fourth wave pullback. I have a support area here, but it really only comes into play once we break below that upper support here for this internal wave 4. So yeah, even though here I'm not necessarily expecting VeChain in this wave 4, if this is the correct wave count, to test the 4.7 cent level, for example, that would be very deep. And I would then already consider probably that we're in circle 4. What would be really ideal is that it holds above the lower boundary line of the trend channel. I mean, that would be ideal. So I think, you know, for now, nothing bearish visible here. We're holding in the trend, just a sideways consolidation, which was expected in this wave 4. If we break below the last swing low, especially here, the one at 6.2 cents, I think, well, it's not a triangle then, most likely not. It would morph into a wider wave 4 correction, like a WXY or an ABC structure. I haven't labeled this specifically, but for now I'm tracking a triangle because it's forming higher lows and lower highs, very typical for a triangle. And even though triangles have not been very common in this particular cycle, in November they have become quite common, right? So I'm watching for triangles because they've been breaking out in the expected directions typically in the last few weeks across the sector. So let's see. I'm not entirely sure about the micro count here. I mean, it might be we already have a complete triangle. I'll leave it open a little bit because, I mean, these are really just micro fluctuations here. It is important to understand that a break above 7.1 cents, the B wave high could already indicate we're in a breakout, but then we need to overcome that micro resistance area. Looking at the larger time frame, the larger wave degree for VeChain, what are the next resistances? The next resistances that you see on the larger time frame are 8.6 cents. We haven't reached that level yet. 10.8 and 13.2 cents. Okay. So overall, still looking for higher prices in the short term. Once we have this larger top in place, and I showed you on the micro level that we're not there yet, we can watch for another 4-5 pattern, which might take us to all-time highs. But that last 4-5 is definitely not guaranteed. I would not rely on it, but we can definitely add a support area to the chart. But let's first get this move up completed that started in August. Yeah, and again, we're tracking that on the micro level every single day pretty much. Yeah, that's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. You can check out our channel member page here, or the channel page, for an explanation of the membership. You get member videos. Today I covered 14 coins, BNB, Render, Veracity, many more. A few days ago, more of them, Ondo, QNT, Uniswap, and so on. You get access to our Sunday live stream. And if you're a gold member, you can even access Discord for the chat rooms and additional benefits. But the video here explains everything. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.